Okay, next, C. P power of 2, Q power of 3, R in bracket. This is power of 4. So you multiply the index. 2 multiply 4, 3 multiply 4. And how about R? What is the index for R? This is power of 1. So we multiply 1 with 4. So final answer, P power of 2 multiply 4. This is multiplication. 2 multiply 4, 8. Q to the power of 3 multiply 4. This is 12. And R to the power of 1 multiply 4, 4. Remember, if the question just write R, mean the index is 1. This is R to the power of 1. Let's see, the question write 3. 3 only. So what is the index for 3? The index for 3 is 3 power of 1. Okay. Next, D. D. 5m power of 4 and power of 3. This is power of 2. Okay. You need to multiply the power of 2 with all index, including 5. Okay. What is the power of 5? The question just write 5. So what is the power of 5? This is power of 1. So 5 power of 1 multiply 2. This is 2. M 4 multiply 2. This is 8. And n power of 6. If you leave your answer like this, wrong. Because you need to simplify the coefficient. What is the coefficient for this term? This is 5 to the power of 2. So this is 25. M power of 8. N power of 6. So this is the final answer. Remember, when coefficient, this is coefficient, you cannot leave your answer in index. 5 power of 2, you need to simplify. So the final answer is 25, M power of 8, and power of 6. Okay. Next. E. 2 power of 5 over 3 power of 2 power of 4. So this is law number 5. You need to multiply also with the index, all index. So this is equal to, in bracket, 2 power of 5 multiply 4, 20, over 4 multiply 2. This is 3 power of 8. Okay. So this is the final answer. You can write without bracket also. So 2 power of 20 over 3 power of 8 also can. Next, F. 2x power of 3 over 3y power of 7 in bracket. And this is power of 4. Okay, class, careful. 4, we need to multiply with all index. Now, you can see index of 3 is, index of x is 3. Index of y is 7. So what is the index for 2 and 3? The index for 2 is 1. What is the index for 3? Also 1. So we need to multiply 1 multiply 4 3 multiply 4, 1 here multiply 4, 7 multiply 4. This is all multiplication. So final answer, 2 power of 1 multiply 4, 4, x power of 3 multiply 4, 12, over 3, this is 1, multiply 4, 4, y to the power of 28. You cannot leave the answer like this because we have coefficient here. The coefficient you need to simplify. You need to solve 2 power of 4. What is the value? What is the final value? 2 power of 4. You can use calculator. You get 16. X power of 12. Over 3 power of 4. Okay, you can use your calculator. You press 3. If you use calculator, you press 3 and you find this symbol. Hat symbol. Then you press 4. Then you press equal. Okay, for calculator. You can use your calculator to get 3 power of 4. You press 3. You press this symbol. You press 4. And then equal. Okay, you get 81 y power of 28. Okay, 81 y power of 28. So 16 and 81. Can we simplify? Cannot. We cannot simplify. We cannot divide. So leave your answer like this. Okay. Next. Question G. 3 in bracket 3 power of 3m power of 2 n power of 3. Okay. This is power of 3. Over 6 m power of 3 n. Now, 3. This is power of 1 because in bracket. So we need to multiply with 3. The index 3. Okay, 6. Okay, no need to write power of 1 because no bracket here. N. This is power of 1. So, 3 multiply 1. 1 multiply 3. Sorry, 2 multiply 3. And 3 multiply 3. Okay, here no need. For denominator, no need. So, this is 3 power of 1 multiply 3. 3. M power of 2 multiply 3. 6. N power of 3 multiply 3. 9. So, over. Okay, this is 6m3 n power of 1. Okay. Now, 3 power of 3. What is the value of 3 power of 3? You can use your calculator using hat symbol. So, 3 power of 3 is 27. M power of 6. N power of 9. Over 6. M power of 3. N power of 1. Okay, if you look at the index, we have to, we look at the base. We have two base, M and N. And this is division, divide. Okay, you can solve the same base. M power of 6 divided by M power of 3. You use second law. When base are same and the index we can minus. So 6 minus 3. The answer is M power of 3. N power of 9 divided by N power of 1. So the base are same. So the index we can minus. So the answer is N power of 8. So final answer, okay, 27 divided by 6. You can simplify. Okay, 27 over 6. If you simplify, you will get 9 over 2. Okay, 27 you divide by 3, 6 you divide by 3. You will get 9 over 2. You simplify. And m, we simplify, we write m power of 3 from here. And n power of 8. Okay, so 9 over 2, m power of 3, n power of 8. This is the final answer. Understand, class? Do you understand?
And teacher.
Okay. Next, for H. More complicated question. For H. Okay, ready for H? 2 x power of 3, y power of 4, in bracket, and power of 4, multiply 3xy, power of 2 in bracket, power of 3, over 36, x power of 10, y power of 12. Okay, first, look at the bracket. We have 2. So what is the power of 2? The power is 1. The index is 1. The second bracket, what is the power of 3? Also 1. What is the power of x? Also 1. You write the index first. Then you multiply the index. 1 multiply 4, 3 multiply 4, 4 multiply 4. And here 1 multiply 3, 1 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3. So you get 2 power of 4, x power of 12, y power of 16. Multiply 3 power of 1 multiply 3, 3. X power of 1 multiply 3, 3. Y power of 2 multiply 3, 6. Over 36, x power of 10, y power of 12. Okay, we solve one by one. We look at the coefficient. 2 power of 4. What is the value of 2 power of 4? 2 power of 4 is 16. X power of 12, y power of 16. Multiply 3 power of 3. This is 27. X power of 3, y power of 6. Over 36, x power of 10, y power of 12. Okay, now we write the coefficient first. If I write the coefficient, 16 multiply 27 over 36. Okay, we write the coefficient first. 16 multiply 27. This is over 36. And x, because we have x and y. So x, 12 multiply. So the index we will plus. This is 12, 3, and 10. So 12 plus 3. And how about 10? What is the operation? The operation should be minus. because this is division. 12 plus 3 because of multiplication. Minus 10 because of division. So y power of, this is 16, 6 and 12. So this is equal 16 plus 6 minus 12. So use calculator. 16 multiply 27 over 36. You will get just now 16 multiply 27 over 36. You will get 12 x to the power of 12 plus 3, 15 minus 10, 5. Y power of 16 plus 6, 22 minus 12, you will get 10. So 12x power of 5, sorry, 12x power of 5, y power of 10. So this is the final answer. Okay. So remember, when no index, you need to write the index. The index should be 1. Then you multiply with 4. Here multiply with 3. And then you need to solve the coefficient first. 16 multiply 27 over 36. So x power of 12 plus 3 over 10. So minus 10 because of division. For y, this is 16 plus 6, y plus because of multiplication. Minus 12, y minus 12 because of this division. Okay? Okay. Then you will get the final answer 12x power of 5, y power of 10. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next, law number 7. Sorry, law number 6. Law of indices. So law number 6. A power of 0. Okay, this is the new law you need to know. If a power of 0, the answer always 1. Let's say m power of 0. When power 0, so the answer is 1. 2 power of 0, you will get 1. You can use your calculator also. You will get 1. If I get 1000 power of 0, so what is the final answer? Equal
1.
to 1. Yes. Okay. And a cannot be 0. If a equal to 0, so no index here. Any unknown, this is unknown. Any unknown or any number power of 0, the answer must be 1. Remember. Okay, law number 7. Law of indices, number 7. A power of negative n, this is equal to 1 over a power of n. And a cannot be 0. Okay, this is law number 7. A power of negative n equal to 1 over a power of n. Example, if I have 2 power of negative 3, so this is 1 over 2 power of 3,
Negative 3.
and
Oh,
final answer 1 over 8. If I have m power of negative 5, so what is the answer? The final
1.
answer 1
1.
over m power of 5.
5.
Okay, good. Okay, example 11. Maybe this is the last example we discuss for today. Example 11. This is page 15. You can turn to page 15. State each of the following term in positive index form. So given negative, the index is negative. What is the positive index form? So this is 1 over a power of 2. Next for b. Okay, straightforward here. B, x to the power of negative 4. So final answer for b, x power of negative 4. This is 1 over x
X
power of
4.
4. Yes, good. Next, C. 1 over 8 power of negative 5. This is negative index form. We want positive index form. So it's become 8 to the power of 5.
5.
Okay? 1 over 8 to the power of negative 5. So positive index form 8 to the power of 5. Okay, dia terbalik. Kalau dia bawah negatif, naik atas positif. Bila dia atas negatif, bawah-bawah dia jadi positif. Dia terbalik macam tu. D. 1 over y to the power of negative 9. So this is equal to, nak
Y
jadi
the power of
positif.
9.
Yes, good. Y to the power of 9. Thank you for respond. Baru saya rasa macam ada murid. Tidak, saya rasa saya cakap sorang-sorang saja. Okay, next. E. 2m to the power of negative 3. Okay. 2, do we have index?
Yes.
No, so we just copy 2. M, this is negative. So to get to write positive, we bring as a
F.
denominator. So 2 over m power of 3. Okay, let's say I have 2m power of negative 3 power of negative 1. How to solve this question? So we
2.
know when negative, when bracket, we multiply. This is power of 1, so we multiply. So
Okay.
2 multiply 1, 1 multiply negative 1, negative 1. M power of negative 3 multiply negative 1, 3.
Negative.
Negative, negative, positive. 3 multiply 1, 3. Okay, next. This is negative index form. We want to change to positive. So it's become 1 over 2 power of 1 because this is 1. So do we need to write 1?
No.
No need. Okay, good. Final answer, no need to write 1 as index. So this is 1 over 2 m power of 3.
3.
This is the final answer. Okay, remember, this is additional example. Next, F. 3 over 5 n power of negative 8. So, the fraction, no negative index, no index, we just copy. N power of negative 8, this is negative. Negative index form. Dia ada kat atas. So, nak jadi dia positif, kita tulis dia di bawah. So, n power of 8. How about the numerator?
Letak
Right?
1.
1, yes. This is 3 over 5 n power of 8.
8.
Okay, next. G. For G. 2/3 power of -10. Okay, this is fraction. Kalau tengok dekat textbook, dia terus jawapan 3/2 to the power of 10. So how you get that?